Hi guys, my name is John.
And I'm Jack.
Welcome back to another fantastic day out here on the island.
Oh my god! So, welcome back everybody.
Welcome back.
The other day we filmed a bit of a video with the airboat, but we ended up messing up the intro. So
yeah, we stuffed it up.
Yeah, that's very unlike us. But anyway, so we're redoing it now. But I think all we want to say is the video ended up being quite long, so get yourself a snack, check out the chapters down here, and skip to whatever you want to view.
Yeah, we did some different things. We did a bit of a range test, did some ice to water transitions, a couple of speed runs, and some manoeuvrability. So yeah, we hope you guys really enjoy it anyway.
Yeah, so as I said, check out the chapters, skip to what you want to see, and enjoy the video. See ya!
See ya.
Oh!
What the fuck is going on?
Okay, so Dad's just going to our first spot where we're going to show you some stuff, and I'm going to just give you a bit of a POV of what it is to drive this thing. You flip your controller on. I'm just going to put my glove in it. Then you flip this switch back here. You hear it turn on, and there we go. Say that again.
I had it in my pocket.
Okay guys, here we are. We found a spot of water here on a very icy lake otherwise. And one of the most asked questions, should I say, is how does the airboat handle the water to ice transition and vice versa? Now, with this kind of a hull, a lot of thoughts have been that the hull is very narrow and would be unstable. In our testing, we've actually found that the hull is really stable and definitely handles it really well. So we've got a bit of water here. We're going to go in and out slowly. We're going to stop on the edge of the ice. We're going to put a couple of people in the boat and
Go fast over it.
we're going to go fast over it as well. So we're going to see what happens.
That's very controlled.
We'll do 2 people.
Yeah,
Yep.
sure. I'll hold that for you. Just get in with your skates on.
Skates. So
We're now 2 people in the boat.
2 people in the boat. What would you say, about 15%?
15.
15% throttle.
It's like, there's not much difference between 1 and 2 people.
No.
There's like, you need 10% to get out
Onto the ice.
onto the ice. Like if you want, you can just kind of putt it at 10%, and then you've got 15% when you're 2.
Yeah.
So it's not much of a power difference needed.
No. And then in the mid there, when we're going a bit quicker, heading up 30.
Yeah, 30.
Yeah.
35.
I could hear that.
Yeah, probably 30.
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, that works.
Nice.
Okay, so we've now come to a more open part of the lake. As you can see, the ice is fantastic. We've got all the cameras ready, the drone. You've got the Insta360 mounted to your helmet, and we're gonna do a bit of a speed test. So you're gonna be driving, you got your helmet on.
Not that that's going to save a lot.
No, but
full face, unfortunately. But
yeah,
we've got the GPS in the boat. Really high-tech solution. My running watch, and that's going to give us a GPS speed check on this. So we'll see what we got. There is a little bit of wind today.
Yeah.
And, the wind does push the cage around a fair bit. So we'll see if I can keep it in a straight line.
Yeah. Let's see. I think we're also, this isn't going to be like super scientific, because we won't going to be going both ways, because we need a safety runoff, and the only place we have that is that way. Yeah. So we're going to be going that way and that way only.
That's right.
Yeah.
All good?
right? What do you think?
It was unreal. Don't try this at home, kids. No, actually, super stable and super pretty much in a straight line. I was stoked about that. As soon as I got out there, there was a fair bit of wind and it started pushing the rear end around. And
you can see that on the drone footage as well.
Yeah, so I started to curve off there. I reckon I was about
what do you
80% throttle through there. There's no way I'm going flat out. This thing would be way over 100k an hour. I'd say it was probably doing about 80 kilometers an hour there some stage.
You think so?
I think so, yeah.
Okay, well, what we'll do is you say 80% throttle and 80 kilometers an hour.
Yeah.
What we'll do is we'll check the GPS and we'll check the logs and we'll put them up on screen and see how close you were.
Awesome.
We're fighting about who gets to drive this, by the way. It's so much fun. Like,
I think this is the funnest toy in the universe.
it's the best toy. Also, like, for anyone who like hasn't driven it, the best way I can explain it is it's like being in a video game. Like, if you've ever played a racing game like Forza or something, and you go drifting, that's what this feels like. Because it's video game physics. Because it's just ice. You slide around everywhere. Like, all the controls are super responsive. So yeah, what I'm saying, it's basically a video game with better graphics and consequences. Failed.
Yeah, nice.
Radio, you're back. Sweet.
All done.
Yeah, so
What a day.
yeah, we've done, what have we done? We've done water and ice test.
Ice to water transition.
Yeah, we've done speed test.
Speed runs.
Yeah, we've done maneuverability, fun stuff, donuts and just drifting and all of that.
180s,
Yeah.
drifts. Yeah.
We should, oh, I've got a good idea. We should make an airboat Kana.
We're gonna have to do that.
We have to do that. Anyway, so I
Yes.
mean, we've done that. we'll put, as said, all the relevant numbers up on screen.
Yeah.
Something we'll do as well is I'm going to go for a bit of a cruise now.
Yeah.
The GPS has been running the whole time, all the speed tests, all the open water, or like all the water stuff, everything.
1 people, 2 persons.
Yeah, so wind, no wind, heaps of wind.
Real life conditions.
Yeah, real life, no WLTP shit. So we're going to give you the range at the end of the video as well.
Yeah.
You've seen what's been in that test, and
That's right.
I mean, I think that's going to be a good indication on what you can get on ice.
That's right,
So,
out of this little battery, yeah.
Yeah.
So we hope you guys have really enjoyed the video and what we've done today, and that we've answered some of your questions. Next video will be the build, I think.
we hope so.
We hope so. Fingers crossed.
Let's make it the build.
We'll make it the build.
We'll make
All
it the
right, guys,
build.
cheers.
Cool.
Yeah.
See you, everyone.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye.